This lesson is 7.6 homework in Go Math. The directions say rename fractions and mixed numbers. Write the mixed number as a fraction. So it gives us the example in number 1, 2 wholes plus 3/5. So you can see 1 whole is 5/5, so 2 wholes is another 5/5, and then all the denominators are the same, so you could just add across the numerators. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Another trick that you can do, because it's all mixed up, is to get mad. So you would write a multiplication, addition over denominator. Okay, very good. We always go in a circle at the bottom though. All right, so let's get mad and multiply. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. How it would look like is if you had 4 wholes, it would be 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 3/3 plus the 1/3. All the denominators are the same, so you could go 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13, which is the same thing as what we have there. Okay, let's look at number 9. It says write the fraction as a mixed number. The way that you can do this is just think 31 divided by 6. That fraction line means divided by. What does the fraction line mean? Divided by. Yeah, so let's write 31 divided by 6. Okay, we're just rewriting it. Okay, so how many times can 6 go into 31? Yeah, 5. If you count by 6s, you go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And 30 is less than 31, just barely. And that was 5 times, so 30. Okay, after you multiply, then you subtract. 31 minus 30 is 1. Is there anything else to bring down? No, so 1 is our remainder. The way you write this as a fraction is take that remainder, that's your numerator, and your divisor is the denominator. So the answer is 5 1/6. Okay, let's look at number 13. A recipe calls for 2 2/4 cups of raisins. Okay, but Julie only has 1/4 cup measuring cup. This is a real life situation here. How many 1/4 cups does Julie need to measure out 2 2/4 cups of raisins? So how many times is she going to use that 1 1/4? So first of all, we need to turn this into a fraction greater than 1. But it's all mixed up. So what can we do? Let's get mad. It's all mixed up. So we have 2 2/4. And if we get mad, this is how all you have to do to show your work, by the way, is get multiply, add over denominator, which is what?
4.
What?
4.
Yeah. Okay, and we go in a circle and start at the bottom. So 4 times 2 is
8.
plus 2 is
10.
so we have 10/4. Okay, but all we have is a 1/4. We only have a 1/4. How many times are we going to use that 1/4? Yeah, because we have 10/4, right? So we're just going to use that 1/4 10 times. Pretty cool, huh? What do you guys think? It's pretty awesome, right?
Yeah.
Okay, number 15. It says draw and explain. So draw and explain. Ooh, 2 parts to that. How you use a number line to rename a fraction greater than 1 as a mixed number. If you need to use the page in your workbook to help you with that, that's a great example. Okay, ready and go.